Hi student, I will now tell you that how you can create some structure in Matlab. So suppose I have a structure array and the name of that structure array is A, and there is a variable small a, the content of which is just like a vector. It has stored 4 values. There is another field of the structure, that is a dot b, which stores some type of character like c. There is another field of the structure which used to store just like a cell array. It's going to store some values of the matrix, and it's another cell contain some type of letter. There is another field that is known as d, and the d stores some sort of uh, trigonometric function that depends upon the previous structure, that is a of a. So these are multiple different parameters. When I execute the code, structure code, and execute the code, I get this type of structure, where when I click it, the first field A contains some vector values, the B contain a character C contain two cell array, two cells of the array. The first cell contain the matrix of size 2 cross 2, while the second contain character. There is another vector that is stored in the D field of the structure array. So through this process you can store multiple different type of data within the structure. There are you can increase the number of the fields within the structure array, and it will be stored like that you have seen in the workspace. Thank you so much.